I'm really failing. Got a little splinter in there.
It's okay. It'll burn off.
I can't do this as easily as you, Marisa.
Do we need to spread some more flux on it?
I don't know what we need to do. I have no idea. Because I'm not.
I think you just have to play. Oh, I burned my fingers.
Aww.
Don't burn your fingers.
You telling our fans?
Am I Thelma or are you Thelma?
Yeah, I'll let you be Thelma because it's a better name. Selfless.
You're martyr. You're Martha. Look at that. Look at her smooth it out. Just don't get it over your leg. You're scaring me just a little. Just a little. I don't want to make you fear.
That's smooth.
You gotta let
That's really smooth right there.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel that. Feel the pothole in. There are potholes when you. Do you want to add a little stuff to it?
I'd like to know why you have an L in the word solder.
Exactly. Does anyone know? Do any of our viewers know?
Do we have viewers, do you think? Yeah. I want viewers.
Yeah.
I'm really obsessed. Like I want them so bad.
Please wait.
That wasn't hot. It was that cold part.
This is why you don't drink and solder. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. And
What are we doing with it? Just
you're gonna fill in that pothole. There you go. Just let it heal. Just let it be. If you need to, you can add more flux. Say the word flux.
solder. Everything has an L in it. Flux. It's funny how I got that one good line
and it's see that smoke. That was you touching the phone.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
See, I'm messing up the smoothness.
I know. You need more solder.
Well,
more flux, I mean.
Yeah, because when we had that, I did good.
Yeah. Here. Okay, so watch it, boys and girls.
Whoa!
The flux already got steamed off by the heat. Let's just wait. Now try. Oh yeah.
What's happening?
Just get it. Just keep going. It hasn't melted yet.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
That's beautiful.
Then that one's messed up. But look.
Yes.
That's one pretty smooth line, though.
We need to get more solder in there. Where that foam was. Yeah. Yeah. And now we need to add, now we're going to add foam, more copper to it. Nice. Any last words?
No, that's too close.